Located amidst the heart of the country, Madhya Pradesh. Korkus are the Adivasi tribe working as farmers as their main occupation. This tribal group spreads across the districts of Madhya Pradesh, mainly Khandwa, Burhanpur, Betul Chhindwara, and areas near Meghat Tiger Reserve in Amravati district of northern Maharashtra. Being a tribal community, Korkus are far away from the technological world we live in and strive to meet the daily amenities such as healthy nutritious food, regular electricity, and safe drinking water supplies. Children belonging to Korku tribe are starving to death due to malnutrition. Lack of education and ill health are the prominent reason for the tribe's population decline. To cater these needs of the tribal community and to preserve the rich culture by closely connecting Sabal with the Korkus has motivated to start an initiative called Poshan Mitra, also known as Nutrition Friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Taking inspiration from this old saying, Sabal started the initiative of Poshan Mitra. It is a social role appointed to the volunteer from the village who works on several responsibilities given by the Sabal program. The person who is selected as a volunteer is identified by the nutrition health work during the regular meetings in the villages. Such persons are identified based on their inclination towards working for their own community and people, who are active and have willingness to contribute their voluntary time for the development of their own villages.
मैं दिन गेन कम से कम 5-6 बार से आटा चढ़ा लो साफ सफाई का ध्यान दे उड़ा गेन भी ध्यान दो बेटा अपने बच्चा को लेन भी ध्यान दो अपना खुद का ऐसे हाँ लो डाबी मकान थोड़ा अच्छा साफ सफाई से सही लिए हाँ आटा मकान अच्छा से चढ़ा के साफ सुथरा थे डेट पहला दिए साटा जो मात्रा करती है मैं तो बन जब बार दिन आटे जम बने दिन 2-3 बार जम जाओ ज़्यादा जम
मेरे पास एक पुस्तक भी है उसके अंतर्गत आप अगर पढ़े लिखे हैं तो आसानी से इसको देख के बना सकते हैं। सब प्रकार का दवाई बन जाता है, रासायनिक खाद टॉनिक भी बन जाता है और कीटनाशक भी बन जाता है। कम खर्चे में अपन घर बैठे ये दवाई तैयार कर सकते हैं।
These volunteers are confident and can communicate with the rest of the villagers effortlessly. Poshan Mitras leave a stamp of friendliness to the villagers than any other specialist could. And this results in extended cooperation from the tribe. Poshan Mitras are trained to look over the major responsibilities in the village such as supporting the NHWs in creating awareness among the pregnant and lactating mothers and adolescent girls regarding nutritious food, immunization and hygiene, identifying and profiling malnourished children and guiding their parents about their nourishment, to promote and motivate Korku farmers to practice traditional and organic farming. In all the Sabal target areas, there are approximately 184 male and female Poshan Mitras. Let us explore and understand the various tasks they tackle every day. Kanchan Rupali is a Poshan Mitra in the village Gandharia, Kharva and Khandwa.
जिनके लिए अपन ने काम किए हैं तो उनको कोई भी मदद चाहिए होती तो फिर मेरे पास आते हैं तो मेरे को बोलते हैं दीदी है तो हमको अर्जेंट कॉल कर दो तो हमको अस्पताल जाना जो भी तो मेरे से आके बोलते हैं आंगनवाड़ी की अगर कार्यकर्ता और सहायिका नहीं मिलती या ऐसा कार्यकर्ता अगर बाहर चले जाते तो आके मेरे को बोलते हैं कि दीदी आप है तो हमारी मदद कर दो तो मैं कॉल करके गाड़ी बुलवा देती हूँ.
Apart from managing her personal and professional work, Kanchan takes her time out in contributing service for her fellow community. She regularly visits door to door to check the malnourished kids, check their status with the MUAC tape, counsel the parents about their child's nourishment and hygiene, and encourage the women of the village. Being the friendly girl of the Kotha village, Saroj Kajle is dedicated working for the pregnant and lactating mothers of her village.
मैं खुद एक कोड़कू हूँ, तो कोड़कू उनके बीच में काम करने में भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे। इस पोषण मित्र में मैं गांव में महिलाओं को समझाती हूँ पोषण के बारे में और साफ सफाई के बारे में, और फिर इसके साथ किशोरी बालिकाओं के साथ हम बैठक लेते हैं और सब चर्चा करते हैं एक दूसरे के बारे में, और जो महामारी की बीमारियां आते हैं उनके बारे में भी चर्चा करते हैं।
She is the frontier when it comes to guide and help the women understand the importance of a healthy diet. Belonging to the Korku tribe, the villagers accept her guidance and also cooperate her while her assistance. Dashrath Kavde is the beloved person in his village Mama Do. He is primarily working towards educating the villagers about the organic methods of agriculture.
गांव में कुछ पानी का समस्या हो उस पर चर्चा गांव वालों के साथ करना, पौधा कुटकी के बारे में भी जानकारी लोगों को देना कि भाई अभी अपन पौधा कुटकी अगर बोते हैं तो वो अपना शरीर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
Given the needful books by Sabal, Dashrath narrates villagers about the benefits of sustainable agriculture and motivates them to practice. From 2 years, Poshan Mitras are working for their own people for a better life. It gives them a special satisfaction by spreading a wide smile on the people who were in distress. Villagers happily accept the assistance of Poshan Mitras as they belong to the same community and speak their mother tongue. That is why the term Mitra works. A friend who helps you without any expectation in return is a friend for life. And we all hope this Poshan Mitra bond will stay with the villagers for the longest period of time.